Curtains are an important part of bedroom decor. Not only do they provide privacy and insulation, but they also add to the overall design aesthetic of the room. Choosing the right curtains for your bedroom can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. When choosing the best curtains for your bedroom, there are several factors to consider. The most important factor is the purpose of the curtains. Are you looking for privacy, light control, or both? If you want to keep the light out and have privacy, blackout curtains are the best option. They are made of heavy fabric and have a lining that blocks light. If you want to keep the room cool in the summer and warm in the winter, insulated curtains are a good choice. They are also effective at blocking out light. Have a look at the 7 best curtains for bedroom 2022. There are a few things you should keep in mind when choosing curtains for your bedroom. The first is the style of the room. Curtains come in a variety of styles, so find the ones that match the look of your bedroom. The second is the function of the curtains. The main thing to consider is the style of your bedroom. If you have a modern and minimalist bedroom, then you'll want to choose curtains that match that style. If your bedroom has a more traditional or classic look, then you'll want to choose curtains that reflect that style. When it comes to curtains for bedroom, there are many different types and styles that can be chosen. It is important to select the right type of curtains to create the desired look and feel in the bedroom. The following are 7 of the best curtains for bedroom that can be used in any home. 1. Cotton curtains. Cotton curtains are a natural and environmentally friendly choice for your home. Made from organic cotton, these curtains will allow your family to breathe easily and live healthily. Cotton curtains come in a variety of colors and styles to match any decor. They are also machine washable and durable, making them a practical choice for your home. Cotton curtains are best for people who want to enjoy the natural light and feel of the outdoors while being inside their homes. Cotton curtains are also great for filtering out sunlight. If you have a room in your house that gets a lot of sunlight, adding cotton curtains can help reduce the amount of glare and heat that comes in. 2. Thermal curtains. Thermal curtains are a must-have for any home, as they can help to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Thermal curtains are made with a special fabric that helps to trap heat or cold in, depending on the season. This can help to reduce your energy bills by up to 25%. Thermal curtains can be used in any room in your home, and are a great way to keep your family comfortable all year round. They are also a great way to add insulation to your home, which can help to protect your home from the cold weather. 3. Voil curtains. Voil curtains are a popular choice for windows because they provide some privacy and light control, but are still see-through. They are made of a lightweight, sheer fabric and are available in a variety of colors and styles. Voil curtains can be hung from a rod or track, or they can be attached directly to the window frame. They are also a good choice for rooms that get a lot of sunlight since they let in natural light while still providing some privacy. 4. Pencil pleat curtains. Pencil pleat curtains are a type of drapery that use a series of evenly spaced, parallel pleats. They typically have a grommet or eyelet heading, which allows them to be hung on a track or rod. Pencil pleat curtains are the most popular type of drapery. They are versatile, affordable, and easy to care for. They can be made from a variety of materials, including cotton, linen, silk, and velvet. 5. Soundproof curtains. As the name implies, soundproof curtains insulate your home and provide a calming environment in your place. These curtains not only black out the noise but also provide high-end privacy. Soundproof window curtains give a modern look to your place and also come in a versatile range of colors, styles, and patterns to choose from. The good thing is that these curtains are easy to install and easy to maintain and come at a cost-effective price range. 6. Tab top curtains. Tab top curtains are a type of curtain that has a fabric strip with loops on the top edge. The curtain is hung on a curtain rod by sliding the rod through the fabric loops. This type of curtain is easy to make and can be made from any kind of fabric. Tab top curtains are a popular choice for windows because they are easy to use and look good. They can be made from a variety of fabrics, including cotton, linen, and velvet. Tab top curtains can also be made from sheer or lace fabrics to create a light and airy look in a room. 7. Doublehung curtains. Doublehung curtains are one of the most popular types of curtain styles. They are hung on a track that is fitted to the top of the window frame. The curtains are paired with other types of curtains to give a modern minimalist look to your place. This type of curtain style is easy to install and can be hung by one person. Double-hung curtains are available in a variety of fabrics, including sheer, linen, cotton, and velvet. They are also available in a variety of colors and styles, which makes them a popular choice for many homeowners. Curtains play a very important part in the overall design of your bedroom. They not only add privacy and insulation but also can enhance the look and feel of the room. So, it's important to choose the right curtains for your bedroom. There are a few things you need to consider when choosing curtains for your bedroom. The first is the type of fabric. There are a variety of fabrics to choose from, including cotton, linen, velvet, and silk. The type of fabric you choose will depend on your personal preference and the overall design of your bedroom.